Lah gue ngabisin waktu stuck in traffic, so mesti gue yang nalangin.
Oh bloody hell, you've been out a couple of hours, haven't you?
Yeah, just sit in traffic, mate. Normally like what, 8 quid to the station. Now it's like could go like 15 quid.
Oh bloody hell. Jesus.
Alright guys, welcome back guys. Oh bloody hell guys. So school is back guys. Kalian lihat nih macetnya ampun-ampun. So gue bilang lagi jalan keluar masuk nih Canvey Island cuma ada 2 guys. Dan di 2 jalan ini mereka kasih temporary lights guys. Itulah penyebabnya macetnya ampun-ampun. Udah dalam seminggu ini nih. Ngomong-ngomong ini hari udah Kamis ya di sini ya, Kamis. 1 minggu ini kayaknya gue bakal ngevlog cuma ini Kamis doang. Barusan tadi gue antar 2 oma-oma. Mereka biasanya tuh mereka belanja tuh ke Morrisons ya. Biasanya cuma 6-7 pound guys. Tadi karena macetnya ini 12 pound sekian dan omanya yang satu ngedumel. Nah, gue nggak mau debat aja sih intinya. So ya gue senyum-senyum aja. Dia bilang loh, jadi gue harus bayar nih karena ini pacaran lama dah. Terus apa yang mau bayar gitu loh. Lah gue ngabisin waktu stuck in traffic, so mesti gue yang nalangin. Masuk akal nggak sih? Cuma ya itulah namanya oma-oma yang mendingan ya diem aja. Cuma inilah ini jalan istilahnya back road ya, rame nih karena orang semuanya ini jalan pintas. Inilah guys Canvey Island. Kalau udah ya ini aja cuma karena pekerjaan ya kan di jalan. Cuma harusnya sih nggak perlu banget ya, apalagi yang di Somnus Avenue itu yang deket bundaran mau ke stasiun. Itu nggak perlu banget tuh mereka kasih temporary lights, tapi ya itulah ya ini jam sibuk banget nih, ngomong-ngomong nih jam 8:20 ya. Nah aja gue mau, untungnya ya gue tadi dapet stasiun cuma macetnya belum parah-parah banget. Dan selama ini gue tuh cuma di dalam Canvey aja, walaupun kena macet cuma paling nggak selama kalau gue harus ke stasiun gitu intinya cuma di dalam pulau ini aja. So ya gue jemput Jack. Nah ini lagi nih cuma ke industrial estate, biasanya 6-7 pound, kadang dia ngasih gue tip. Cuma dengan macetnya ini bakal mungkin 8 pound. Oh well guys, come on Jack. Ya ngomong-ngomong hari ini tadi gue mulai jam 6 ya, gue cabut sampai sini jam 6:30 lah. Dan hari ini gue ada private job guys, long distance ini ke Colchester. Buat kalian yang nonton yang video soal pengeluaran gue ya itu ngantar ibu-ibu itu aja, Ibu Thelma. Oke, dan ini dia saya ngantar nih Ibu Thelma. Dia udah cancel udah berapa kali, 4-5 kali di cancel.
How are we, mate? Alright?
I'm good man, you good?
Yeah, not too bad, mate. Not too bad. How's things?
Well, you know the traffic is bad, eh?
Yeah, I know. It's weird.
Been all week.
Yeah, I know. I don't know what it is. Is there lights?
No, because of the temporary lights, mate.
Yeah, no.
I don't know, like they got one obviously here Long Road and then one Somnus Avenue, so it just
gridlocks everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So what's it proper really that bad?
it is, yeah. I just took a customer, like they're busy moaning because they have to pay like 12 quid, just go to Morrisons.
Oh, bloody hell. Yeah, at the end of the day, though, it is what it is, isn't it?
That's the thing, it is what it is. So,
I know your journey's normally £5,
Yeah.
whatever it is, £6,
Yeah.
whatever it is, but at the end of the day, you've got now sit in traffic. Which
yeah,
costs you
I
the
always sit in traffic,
petrol. Yeah, at the end of the day you got to sit in traffic, cost you more petrol. So
Yeah.
it's the fare. It is what it is.
I don't want it, obviously. Who wants, still sit in the traffic? But it is what it is.
You just have to get on with it. You know what I mean? It's one of them days. Once
The
they
thing
got-
is, I'm coming from that side, Coming from this side so much easier because, like, even though, it's still the queues from here,
Yeah, but you
but
skip,
it's still,
you skip all that, didn't you?
yeah, go turn new road and should be alright.
Yeah. I was gonna say, can we stop off at the car? Was that
Oh,
alright?
yeah, no
is that
worries,
alright,
mate.
I need to get some bits.
It's just unnecessary where they put these traffic
I
lights.
know, innit? It's just, that's the thing as well, because they do it so much, just do it right the first time. Or whatever you
Well,
do.
yeah, that's another issue, eh?
That's what I mean. The same with the A13 and all. Like this.
But that's the trouble, mate. If it's not that they can't do it, mate. It's just they won't have a job anymore, mate.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah. Yeah, no, I get you, man. I get you. Yeah, fucking hell, yeah. It's built right up, innit? What time you been on this morning?
I start from 6:30.
Oh, bloody hell, you've been out a couple of hours, haven't
Yeah, just sit in traffic, mate.
you? What, was it really bad this morning? Like, even like early this morning?
I got lucky, to be honest. I got the station just from Stiley Avenue.
Yeah.
So obviously, you're coming from there. I didn't have to wait long till I get to, past the mini roundabout.
Yeah.
Coming back from the station, I got a job from Central,
Yeah.
and I passed all that along all the way Rugby Club, mate, to town, mate. That's the cube start from. And since then, I just, just inside Canfish. So I'm lucky enough because I don't want to go to the station.
No, yeah, because once you go
Because,
out there, you come back,
either way, long road or Somnus,
yeah,
it's gonna be at least 30-40 minutes just to do one job.
Oh, bloody hell.
Yeah,
Man. Yeah, so I mean, it does everyone's day, doesn't it?
yeah.
It's a backlog of it all now.
Normally, like, 7-8 quid to the station. Now it's like, could go like 15 quid.
Oh, bloody hell. Jesus. You got to think, Basildon ain't, like, on a good day, Basildon ain't far off, like, 15 quid, really, is it?
My first job, actually, I got, because I live in Southend, right? I was driving, coming here.
Yeah.
I was still in Hadley, and they gave me a job from Benfleet going to Basildon.
Right.
So that's what was my first job, and that was like about 6 miles,
Yeah.
and that's like 18 quid.
So, I
But
mean,
obviously, there's no traffic,
No, yeah, that's what I'm saying, on a good day,
Oh,
like,
no, good, yeah.
to get to Basildon, it ain't far off, 15
Yeah, a
quid,
comparison from here, just to go to the station, it's already 15 quid.
Yeah, that's what I mean, it's mad, isn't it, man, honestly. It's mad.
Yeah, like look here, we just skip all of the traffic and that's it.
And that's it,
It's
well,
like coming from where you live. It's
It's-
not gonna make much difference, because you
right,
basically
it's
not.
just if you lived all the way back there,
You live all the way back.
then yeah, you're paying for it. You know what I mean? It's one of them ones.
It's all because of these temporary lights that they put it here.
So how long? What does it say when it's going to be shifted? Like as in like when they're going to go?
Because obviously, if it's normal, the green, obviously, especially during this time, is just longer, mate.
Yeah.
But it's like this, it's not gonna last long. Plus that side is gonna get green. Well, it's only 2-3 cars, but they like what 30 seconds green,
Yeah, not long. Yeah.
Nah, not long. So what's the point?
Yeah,
Look,
that's
there's
it.
no car there.
Oh, I thought, you know what? I thought it was. I thought you was gonna skip it. The driver did that the other day. I was like, no, I need to get my stuff. But yeah, that's the thing. Once they're gone though, man, it should be alright, man.
Yeah, you just need to pass this traffic, guys. You're alright.
And that's it. Hopefully you just get jobs this end of the island.
Well, I'm hoping, but you don't even know.
Do you want a drink or anything?
Oh, I'm good, man. Thank you. So ya, ini namanya Jack ya. Selalu orangnya baik banget, dia selalu sebelum kerja nih dia kesini nih co-op kayak Indomaret guys, dia beli bekal ya buat makanan dia. Dia selalu nanya gue mau sesuatu gitu, sih gue selalu bilang enggak gitu. Ada ya 1-2 orang tiap kali mereka ya kayak gini nih nanya gitu loh, gue mau apa, minum apa, baik aja gitu, baik nggak tahu tulus apa enggak ya kan, itu soal lain, cuma paling nggak nawarin ya kan, ya baik aja. So ya guys, semua masalah macet itu cuma karena di ini tadi kita lewatin ini nih. Kalau kalian perhatiin baik-baik, temporary lights ya, lampu merahnya tuh sementara ya, mereka nggak pakai yang fix, yang permanen. Itu bukan salah satu penyebabnya macetnya gila-gilaan. Karena di sini umumnya lampu lalu lintas kayak gini mereka tuh sensor ya. Jadi kayak contoh mobil dari arah sana ya, nggak banyak yang datang, otomatis hijaunya tuh nggak bakal lama. Nah biasanya kalau pagi ini kan long road ini nih sibuk banget, ya hijaunya lama karena banyak mobil tuh yang mau meninggalkan Canvey Island. Ya gue bilang lagi tuh Ibu Telma ya, so ya gue bakal jemput dia jam 2 ya, jam 2, sama kayak yang ini kedua kalinya gue lakuin ini. Sebenarnya kayak gue bilang itu kan kasih temen gue ya, cuma temen gue ini Malik dia kayak pulang kampung ke Pakistan, jadi gue yang nalangin nih kurang lebih ya 2-3 minggu lah ini. Jam 2 kesana kurang lebih 1 jam, di sana kurang lebih 1 jam, balik lagi 1 jam, jadi 3 jam. Jadi gue, nah itu bakal chapter akhir gue sampai di rumah paling ya sebelum jam 6 lah mudah-mudahan ya. Pertama kali gue bawa dia ini, dia nggak pulang, jadi dia minta antar gue ke Southern Hospital. Gue bilang yes, dia bilang tambahin aja berapa ya, gue cuma tambahin 10. Ya bisa lebih sih, cuma gue bilang 10 aja lah ya. Yalah, itu udah arah pulang ya kan, gue udah makasih banget. Jadi gue istilahnya dari Colchester itu gue tuh yang langsung pulang aja. Cuma ya itu ditambah 10 pound lagi. Dan itu jab gue dibayar 150 guys untuk 3 jam itu. Jadi mau dibilang ya 1 jam 50 pound. Gila, bagus banget guys, bagus banget.
Alright, let's go.
Pay by card, mate?
Yes, but if you do that on card and then just put that in your pocket, man.
Oh, cheers, thanks, man. Thank you.
No,
Appreciate
you're
it.
right, no, you're alright, man. I'm not too sure. Like when I give you tip on the card, you still like have to pay tax on it and all that, didn't you?
Oh yeah.
So I mean, I was like, I like giving a tip, but you don't really you don't really see much of it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Cheers, thank you.
Right,
Appreciate
you
it,
have a
mate.
lovely one,
Yeah, you too, mate. You too.
No, mate.
Benarin lagi. Oke guys, kasih tip guys. Sudah teh bayar kartu 740 ya. Oh, Ben Fleet 4, just don't give it to me, Jack. Cuma dikasih lagi tip 2 pound cash koin. Nah, masuk lagi tuh celengan gue guys. Gue sekarang lagi apa sih, ada gue bikin ini ya, catatan gitu, note. Apa dia susah mundur begitu. Ini aja loh. Jadi untuk bulan ini aja guys, koin yang gue kumpulin ya, koin yang gue kumpulin udah ada kali 200. Nah itu cuma dari yang 2 pound 1 pound yang gue bilang itu tuh, celengan gue ada 200 guys. Kayak ini kan, apalagi kalau gue udah dapet 2 pound utuh ya, yang itu langsung tuh gue nggak gue nggak pakai, langsung masuk celengan. Kalau yang 1 pound ya itu yang gue pakai buat kembalian ya, buat kasih kembalian gue pakai yang 1 pound. Cuma kalau 2 pound itu langsung otomatis masuk celengan. Tadinya gue pakai buat kembalian guys, cuma udah nggak lagi. It's going to be a long day guys. Bakal kerja 12 jam kali ini. Kelly, nah dapat lagi nih, cuma di Canvey aja, cuma tetap bakal kena macet nih. Kita bakal kena macet nih. Alright then it's gonna be a long day guys, a long day. Enaknya ya, apalagi kayak kemarin guys. Dan ini kayaknya bakal sama lagi ya. Udah mendekati musim semi ya, spring. Kemarin tuh yang tembus sampai 19 derajat Celcius dan masih berasa banget di sini guys. 15 aja itu istilahnya udah musim panas ya buat di sini. Jadi kemarin tuh enak banget dan hari ini harusnya sih sama nih, kelihatan aja nih kan matahari udah keluar. And hopefully. Alright then guys, sambung lagi nanti kalau ada sesuatu yang menarik. See you later.